Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to erase crayon from paper. First, grab a hairdryer and set it to a low heat setting. Hold the hairdryer a few inches away from the crayon mark, allowing the gentle warmth to soften the wax. As the crayon begins to melt slightly, carefully blot the area with a clean paper towel. This method works well for many types of paper without causing damage. Another effective way to remove crayon is by using a white vinyl eraser. These erasers are less abrasive than pink ones and are ideal for delicate surfaces like paper. Lightly rub the eraser across the crayon mark, moving in a single direction. This helps lift the wax without spreading it further. Remember to use a gentle touch to avoid damaging the paper underneath. For a slightly more abrasive, yet still gentle, approach, try a baking soda paste. Combine a small amount of baking soda with water until you have a thick paste. Apply this paste to the crayon mark with a soft, clean cloth. Gently rub the area in small circles, allowing the mild abrasive action to lift the crayon. Finish by wiping the paper clean with a slightly damp cloth. To prevent future crayon mishaps, always place a protective mat or several sheets of scrap paper under your artwork. This simple step can save your surfaces from unwanted marks. Also, before trying any removal method, always test it on a small, hidden area of the paper to ensure it won't cause damage. For those looking to improve their financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other helpful deals. Remember, a little care goes a long way in keeping your paper pristine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.